Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a farm account in LastZ Survival. All right, let's begin. To create a farm account, you need a separate account in the same state as your main account. This allows both accounts to support each other. If your state is crowded, you may need to try a different one. You can use a dual app or app cloner like Parallel Space to run multiple accounts on the same device. Once your farm account is created, make sure it is in the same state as your main account. This allows you to send gathering marches, collect resources, and even join the same alliance. Keep your farm account less aggressive in combat to avoid unnecessary attacks. Focus on using it to support your main account, pulling resources efficiently and minimizing investment on the farm account itself. This strategy helps both your main account and alliance progress faster, while keeping the farm account safe and productive. Use it daily to maximize benefits for your main account. So that's basically how you can create a farm account in LastZ Survival. That's it for this video. Thanks.